Running a cemetery or crematorium is a huge challenge, not helped by critical information often being fragmented between spreadsheets and paper, but also because many organizations are doing their best to make outdated IT systems work for them in the modern world. Cemeterians often tell us their role is like that of a detective, just to carry out routine tasks, sifting through multiple sources of information before they're even able to start the important work of supporting the families they serve. Enter PlotBox, best practice in cemetery and crematorium management. PlotBox is the only integrated software and mapping solution that provides an intuitive user experience by bringing all cemetery operations into one place, like pre-need sales, mapping, finance, and a whole host of tools and services designed to work with you, not against you. We can even store digital copies of your existing paper records within PlotBox. For the first time, all of your information truly is in one place. So regardless of your organization's size, there's a customized PlotBox package to suit your needs. By centralizing data into one platform, PlotBox can save up to 78% in operational efficiencies. Not only that, there are many ways that PlotBox can help you increase revenue. For instance, family service counselors can sell on the go from any location with live inventory data on any device. Setting PlotBox apart, we offer the only verified mapping solution with accuracy up to 1 inch. That's a true integrated GPS mapping solution that delivers a forensic audit of your inventory, can identify previously unknown and unsold plots, gives visibility of your real-time inventory status to all of your team, and removes the worry of double selling plots. Our advanced finance module gives you the freedom to create the reports you need. For example, accounts receivable, GL, counselor sales and commissions, inventory, and deferred revenue are all literally at the touch of a button and are all integrated with your own finance package. Public access to deceased records is delivered via integration with our sister website Ever After, which creates several options for lead generation and new revenue streams. Many of the United States' largest cemetery organizations have adopted PlotBox and transformed their operation, including some of the largest archdioceses, dioceses, and private organizations who have awarded PlotBox 5 out of 5 stars in reviews. So if you're aspiring to implement industry best practice, visit plotbox.io to learn more and speak with a local product expert today.